Hi, in this tutorial, we'll create a Bruno API collection. A collection is a group of related API calls, uh, other variables, and data. So, creating a collection will help testers to organize the APIs better. So, we can group related API calls into a collection. So, we can easily share the collection like number of API calls to other testers as well. So this is the Bruno API interface. So click on the create collection either here or click on create to create a collection. So click on this. Give a name to your collection. Let's say user APIs. So you can choose the location where you want to store the API collections. So click on browse and choose a path. So yes, Bruno, it's a folder on your computer. Select the folder. So to create a collection, click on the create button. So here you can see the collection got created successfully. Click on the collection name in the side navigation. So the collection has two modes. One is the safe mode and the other one is the developer mode. So in the safe mode, all the JavaScript code will run in a secure sandbox and cannot access the file system and other system and cannot execute the other system commands. So if you're testing the APIs and you don't trust the author of the APIs, you can choose the safe mode. Um, so if you trust the authors of the API and its internal APIs, you can select the developer mode. In this JavaScript code can access the file system and execute sensitive system commands. So for time being, click on like choose safe mode and click on save button. So this is the collection. Uh, It has a location on your hard disks where all the APIs will be stored, like in a folder or directory. Mm, the environments. So generally, and the test in an organization will have different environments like testing, QA, staging environment, and the ultimate production environments. So we'll discuss this in another tutorial. And the API calls in the collection. So to share the collection, you can choose share collection. Okay. And to access the collection settings, click on the gear icon here. These are the different tabs. So the script tab has like you can have a pre-request scripts and the post-response scripts. So these scripts will be executed if you specify any script in the pre-request before the HTTP request. These scripts will be executed, and the post-response scripts will be executed after the API server responds with a response. Okay. So these are like cleanup and tear down scripts.